Okay, so how does it work? You're walking alone, you press this big old SOS button, and all the things happen. Someone that you trust gets a text with your location. They know where you are and they can track your movement in real time. And also, your phone starts a video call, and also that call is live streamed and recorded to the cloud. So, check it out. The bad guy is creeping up behind you. You turn around, hold up your phone, and with full confidence say something like, "Dude, you're creeping me out. They know where I am. I've got you on video call. Say hi to Julia." You might get me, you might get my phone, but this call is being recorded to the cloud, so they're gonna get you. Best witness ever. Plus, that might just be enough that the bad guy decides that you're too much trouble. Works for me. What about if you want to call for help, but you can't let anyone know? You can set up voice activation and all the same things happen. And mine works for my back pocket. Have you ever asked a friend to call you, say, 10 minutes into that first date in case you need an excuse to bail? bSafe will do that too. For the record, I paid full price for the app. I have no affiliation with bSafe. I'm recommending this because I believe it's awesome. I would not recommend anything that I wouldn't also recommend to my daughter. And speaking of daughters, this app comes from a father-daughter team, Rich and Charlene Larson. It started with tragedy. Charlene was raped, her father decided to do something about it. They did this together. Now you and me and everyone has access to a safer world. Boom, you're awesome.